Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating the Firebase project and enabling the auth providers you need. Once done, install the Firebase packages for React Native and add the platform config files. Make sure to place Google Services, JSON, or Google Service Info. List correctly. Initialize Firebase in a small module so you can import it from components. This first step gets your app talking to Firebase. It avoids later config drift and lets you implement auth flows immediately. Next, implement the concrete flows: email/password, social sign-ins, and session handling. You should wire on auth state changed into a React context so your UI reacts to sign-in state. For social providers, use the native SDK to get the ID token, then call Firebase to exchange tokens and optionally link accounts. Also validate inputs and show precise errors. This prevents bad requests and explains failures to users. Make sure to secure tokens and refresh them as needed. Finally, add sign-out, persistence, and profile update endpoints so the experience is complete. Test thoroughly on physical devices and emulators. Verify OAuth redirects, bundle ID, and correct SHA-1/SHA-256 fingerprints for Android. Before shipping, confirm persistence mode and token refresh work across app restarts. If things go wrong, check SHA keys and OAuth client settings first. Mismatched bundle ID or missing fingerprint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.